Today we're making biscuits. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do
2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
mix their dry ingredients. We're gonna shred this butter into our mixture here. Butter the dish. This is just like a tablespoon of butter from my butter that I keep on the counter. You can comment below and let me know if you keep butter on the counter. This is ready. Now we're gonna gently toss our butter in our flour mixture. Time for buttermilk. And now we're gonna start. We're gonna fold it about 1 inch. Cut the biscuits. We're gonna cook it at 425 for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna put some butter on top, and that's it. Okay, our biscuits have been in the oven for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna melt some butter and put it on top. Here is our biscuits. They look so good.